Morning children, I hope you all are doing fine. The topic that we are going to do today is the letter writing. As you all know, there are two types of letters, the formal and the informal letter. You all have already done informal letter, so I'm not going to do that. The next thing that we will do is the formal letter. Okay, so what is a formal letter? Now see children, formal letter means an official letter written to people with whom you are not familiar with, the people you are not acquainted with. These people can be high dignitaries, okay, or some people or someone who is holding a respectable post or position in the society, okay. So now I will tell you there are different types of formal letters, okay. Now different types of formal letters, okay. Formal letter, formal letters, okay. Number one is it can be an application, okay. Application. It can be a complaint, okay. It can be business letters. It can be an invitation, okay, and invitation. Okay, or it can be a condolence letter. Condolence means condolence letter. Condolence means when someone dies, you write a condolence letter to sympathize that person. Okay, that is known as condolence letter. So different types of formal letters are, it can be an application, it can be a complaint, it can be business letters, it can be an invitation or a condolence letter. Okay, now we will go with the format of the formal letter. Now the first thing that you'll have to remember children is the address of the sender, that is you, your address, okay, name and address of yours, the address of the name and address of the sender, okay. So it goes like this. On the right hand side you'll have to write your name like Rajesh Gupta and a comma via 61, comma RC Mintri Road, okay, Kalimpong, comma, and the pin code is the 6-digit pin code is very important in your formal letter. Okay, this is the address of the sender. Okay, name and address of the sender. Okay, after that you'll have to leave one line and then write down the date. Like today you'll have to leave one line and write down the date. That is you'll have to toss the line over here. 1st September 2020. Okay, this is your date. It should also be on the right hand side. Okay, this is your date. After that you'll have to leave one line and then write down the address of the receiver. Okay, since I don't have a space over here, the next thing on the layout paper, the next thing in your paper over here, you need to have the address of the receiver. Okay, I'm going to write it at the top now. So, address of the receiver on the left hand side. Just remember, first comes your name and your address. That is the name and address of the sender. And you'll need to leave one line and then you'll have to write down the date. Okay. And then after that, the address of the receiver comes over here, this side. Okay. On the left hand side. That is the inspector in charge, Kalimpong Police Station, and then Kalimpong over here. Okay. Okay, this is the address of the receiver. Okay. Address of the receiver. Address of the receiver. Okay. After that comes your salutation. Okay, like sir. You all don't have to write respected sir or any other things. You simply have to write sir or madam. You don't have to write dear sir or madam also. Simply sir. That is the format given by the council. So leave one line and then sir. Okay, and a sir or madam and a comma over here. This is known as salutation. Okay, you're greeting someone. Okay. After that comes your body. Okay. So after that comes your body. Since I don't have a space over here, I'm going to write at the top. Don't worry, I'm going to send you the PDF file also as well. So you have already written, first comes the name of the sender, after you have to leave one line, and then comes the address, then after that the address of the receiver, then after that is salutation. Okay, salutation is sir. Okay, and a comma over here, and then you will write the content of the letter. The entire thing is known as the content. It is divided into three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Okay, so this is known as the content, the body of the letter. Like this is to bring to your notice. Likewise only you can start off with your letter, okay, and it continues, and then after that comes the subscription. Okay, subscription. After that you'll have to write thank you via or thanking you. Okay, this one is the body. Okay, thanking you, comma, and then you'll have to write yours faithfully. Okay, you're not supposed to write yours sincerely or something like that. This is the format given by the council, so you'll have to write yours faithfully only over here. Okay, otherwise if you are writing to an editor of a newspaper, then you'll have to write editor of a newspaper, any editors, then you'll have to write yours truly. Okay, this is known as the subscription. This is known as the subscription. Okay, and then the last thing comes after this is your signature via. Signature like your full name. Supposing via it was Rajesh, isn't it? So Rajesh Gupta. This is known as the signature or your name. It's better to give your name. Okay, name of the sender. Okay, name of the sender over here. Otherwise you all can write yours faithfully, comma, and then if you have to write down the signature, supposing R Gupta, this is the signature, then after that you'll have to mention the full name like Rajesh Gupta. This is very, very important to give the full name. So it's better you write your full name instead of writing the signature via. Okay, so in a formal letter, the first thing that you'll have to remember is the name of the sender. Okay, name and address of the sender. Number 2 is the date. Number 3 is the name of the receiver. Okay, number 4, name of the receiver, the address. It just has to be in 3 lines, not more than that. The address of the receiver. Okay, a name of the receiver. After that comes your salutation, that is greeting them like sir or madam, something like that. Okay, and then the body of your letter starts. Okay, that is known as the body. After salutation, it's the body. And then you conclude by writing thanking you. And then comes the subscription. In the subscription, you'll have to write yours faithfully and no comma over here while writing yours. It has to be yours, Y-O-U-R-S. No comma in between over here. No comma, like yours. No comma over here. This is wrong. You'll have to write yours. Okay? This is correct. Yours faithfully, no writing yours sincerely or something like that. Only yours faithfully. That is the format provided by the council. And then at last is the signature and your name. Okay? In the next class, I will give you a sample of the letter as well. Okay, thank you.